Hey there Discord users, welcome to Tech Basis, and on today's video we're gonna see how to play music on Discord. Now first of all, you'll need to add music bot to your Discord servers in order to play music. Now first of all, go to the server you want to add music bot to. Here I'll choose this server. One thing you got to remember is you need to own the server or have permission of the owner of the server to do this. Now go ahead and click on the server's name located in the top left and click on server settings. From here, go to the app directory. Here you can search for apps to add to your servers. Just go ahead and type in Greenbot and just hit enter. And it should appear in the first. Now just click on it and click on add app. You can add it to any server, but the server I want is already selected. So just tap on continue and agree to everything and just click on authorize. You might have to do a captcha as well. After you added the app successfully, just click on close and go back to the server's chat. Or directly you can go to the server's chat. Now you can give different commands to Greenbot. One of them is to play music. Now go join the voice channel. And in the text channel, just type in /play and you'll see a list of commands. From here, just select play/play query. Now just type in the song you wish to play. For example, I'll just select Love by Kendrick Lamar. So I'll just type in Love Kendrick Lamar and I'll just hit enter. The Greenbot will search for the music and start playing it.
Yeah.
I have muted the song because I don't want to face any copyright issues. But you can see it's now playing. And if you want to add songs to queue, just type in the same command and song's name after it. And it will be added in the queue. It's that simple. If you face any confusion, just leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss a future video. Thanks for watching.